Marks out.
in Frontier Town. Hold on tight.
Riders on the platform, when the next train parks and those gates open, please quickly step all the way through the gates, take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not touch that lap bar. Fasten your seatbelt only. Welcome back, Blackjack. How was your ride? Awesome. When the train comes to a full go, please stop, push up like a lap bar, and buckle your seatbelt. Exit to your left. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day here at Cedar Point. Go ahead, guys. All right, guys, quickly step through those gates. Take your seat. Those gates will close on you. So quickly step through, take your seat, and fasten your seatbelt. Do not touch your lap bar. Fasten your seatbelt and put your hands up.
All right.
While riding, please remain seated, facing forward in an upright position with your back and shoulders against the seat back, holding on tight. Keep all parts of your body inside the train at all times. And you guys are out of here. Enjoy your ride on Steel Magic. Bye-bye. To my riders on the platform, will the next train park?
That was cool.
Awesome. Kudos to your dad, man. That was awesome.
All right, got a good video.
You did? Oh, you had it on. That was fun.
That was good. Just wish I had a little more cushioning here.
Yeah. I've never had the cushioning on the legs.
Yeah, the airtime's great, but it kind of hurts after a while. An amazing ride.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Way better than the old version.
Yeah. Sure he was brutal, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Fasten your seatbelt and put your hands up. We will come by and close that lap bar for you. Welcome back, Blackjack. How was that ride? Nice. When the train comes to a full complete stop, push it on your lap bar and buckle your seatbelt and exit to your left. Thank you for running it into the rest of your day at Cedar Point. 3, 2, 1. Push up, exit to your left.